I kill her, she sell it for feelings, but it's a dick. Drop top, drop top, while on drop top, drop top, drop top, drop top, drop top, pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up.
They think you big and bad, huh? Come on, yep. Keep paddling.
No.
It's okay. Turn it. Turn it. Go ahead, turn it. Yep.
Good job.
Go ahead. You can hold the camera. Just like that. So, we gotta install the glove compartment, the glove box, because I changed the cabin air filter and this broke off. So, we actually had to make something up to make it fit again. You know, just being me. So hopefully it lines up right. Which it is off. It's not lining up quite. Oh, there we go. So I need the 2 screws. So it is lined up right. I need the 2 screws to actually do the test.
Oh, I could have passed them to you.
Alright. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let this one chill out for a second. I'm gonna put this one in. It's kind of hard to do. Well, I'm gonna do it. I could be able to do it. So I'm gonna hold it up like this, so I can at least get this one in there. You can go back a little bit. You ain't gotta be so close. That's how you use camera.
Oh.
You use the camera.
Okay. Oh.
You ain't gotta be.
Wow. Okay.
I'm just saying, I just ain't gotta be all.
You always just saying something. Now, we on camera, so I'm not going to do too much. I'm just going to let you do what you do.
I'm speaking fast.
Look at E-Dog. Do you want me to put the flash on? Because it's kind of dark.
Yeah, you can.
Oh, no, I can see it. Do you want me to hold it? Hmm?
I said, hold on, let me see. Sometimes you gotta use another limb to hold. You record.
Okay, let me tell you something. I'm trying to help you. So let's keep it cute.
We don't want to tighten it too much, just a little bit. So here's the one that broke off. So this the one that broke off, y'all. And I hot glued it, not hot glued, but I actually plastic welded with a hot glue gun, and I used some of this Gorilla Glue, so it's not going anywhere, guys. I just want to show y'all could do it too. This whole piece was literally off the car, just to let y'all know. So this is going to be a comparison test. Can you really weld glue or not? It's literally going to be a 100% test whether you can weld glue or not. Straight like that. If it holds this glove compartment, this glove box, they give you an answer right there.
Elon, you okay?
Yeah, you right there. So it's gonna give y'all the final answer. I'm still holding it. I'm still giving it leverage. I'm still supporting it. So as soon as I stop supporting it, it's just gonna be the test if it holds or not. And that's that. So let's try to bring it up. We're gonna squeeze these two together so it can fit inside. That's how you do it. Literally, I changed the put a new cabin air filter in. You could, the camera too zoomed in. I'm trying to teach you how to do YouTube, baby.
All right,
You know
babe.
what I'm saying? So you gotta adjust.
I know.
I'll just teach
You're
you,
embarrassing me. Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So now we got a nice, even. I got a little glue. What I did right here, I messed it up a little bit, but it's holding, right?
Yep, it's holding.
Let's give it a test. I'm not gonna be too hard on it, but boom,
Boom.
boom. Just
You the
like
man. You the
that. I ain't
man.
gonna be too hard on it. You know, don't slam it, you know. But boom.
Give me a high five.
Nah, this the test. Another test. One more test.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
One last test before we call it a day. For the
Child.
keys out the truck. Hold the trunk there.
I know how to pop the trunk. Period. Let's do a view at the car. Y'all, I am Jeremiah's girlfriend, and I got a YouTube. It's Mo the Gemini with 3 eyes. Follow me or subscribe. I haven't posted yet, but I will be posting. Oh my gosh. Elon, honey. Elon. Hey.
Get over here. Come here. Alright, well, show them.
Okay.
Show them this. So, got the Acura owners. Come here. Come here. So I got the Acura's owner's manual. I'm gonna try to put this in there. If it falls, whatever. But if it holds, that's a double A. So just put it in there like normal. Hey, ain't that something?
That's good. You say some money.
You can actually see it still too.
Yeah, you can see it a little bit, but who's paying attention? It's like road department. Oh, I think I got bit by a mosquito. I can feel it.
Yeah, messed up.
Do you wanna walk to the store,
Yeah.
get something to drink?
Hey, come here. Come here. Bring your bike over here.